Good morning. Happy Saturday. Today, I am going to make a video in English because I haven't done that for ages. And because I'm still not sure how I'm going to proceed on my page, because I do have so many followers abroad who don't speak any German, but I do have German followers that don't understand English. So basically, I still have no idea how I'm going to do it. But today, it's time for English. And I should do at least 2 to 3 videos in English per week. Maybe I'm going to do a mix. I have no idea. I'm always in a rush, and it's like on a daily basis, you have so many things going on and you just forget about it. Like today, this morning, I did my nails. I do them on my own. Maybe they're not perfect, but I save like tons of money. So basically, it took me like 2 hours to do them. Then I had to take a shower, do my hair, and now I just said I have to do my makeup, take you with me, and I'm gonna do it in English. So if you prefer my videos in English, just leave a comment. It would be so helpful if you could just respond and comment below if you like to see my videos in English. Yeah, so I'm going to do an easy makeup with the A to C cream, which is basically a mix of BB cream and foundation. And this is so easy to apply because we're about to hop to my mother-in-law in my mother-in-law's place to have coffee, maybe cake, and that's why I have to, it's not only like that I have to get myself ready, but I still have to do some laundry. I still have to do some Christmas stuff. My little office here looks like a huge mess, and I don't like that. And basically, I have the feeling I never have time for it, so still have to send some emails, some messages. So these are the perks of being somewhat self-employed, I would say. So I just love this A2C cream. Can you see it? It has like a very strong coverage, but not too harsh. So I am wearing the color Beige Warms. This is the darkest tone, okay? I think we have 2 to 3 tones and lighter tones. So next step would be concealer, like always. Now, I think in my last video, I missed my concealer. I never did that. So basically, I still have something left here, but that's okay. Usually I never go out with my concealer. So very light tone. I like just the contrast of the darker foundation and a light concealer. So basically, I would never use the same tone as my foundation because I just like it when it's a little bit lighter. So up here a little. So now I am going to use my powder because I always use the powder to set in the makeup just to make it more, not shiny, not too glowy because I don't like it too glowy. So I'm going to use this powder from the One, which is huge, by the way. It's a brand new one for me. So basically, and it smells good too. And I love when products just smell good too. Have you ever seen, I'm not sure where I saw it. I think it was Instagram or Facebook. I'm not sure. But there's a bronzer, I think, from a great makeup range name. I won't say. But the product is good, but it smells like vomit. It smells like somebody threw up. That's what I've heard. So why would you buy a makeup or bronzer or whatever that smells very bad? I don't get it. And it's not cheap either. So So this is the look of the foundation and the powder. I always love powders that don't look like too powdery. So next step would be eyeshadow. I hope I can do a quick and easy one because I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette because it's, you know, it fits to my husband's sweater. It's not even mine. So basically, I am going to do a little bit of gray on the outside. I think I need like more light, a better lightning here, because I don't see anything. So if you have any tips for me, I have like a small ring light with my phone, but I don't think that's enough. So I think this is going to be like a gray smoky eye look, maybe. See, it is so easy. You can easily blend the colors, make it more light or more dark, however you like it. So then I am going to use the lighter white color for a little bit above the gray shade. You basically just see like a little shimmer, not a lot. So then I am going to use this shimmery gray tone, I would say. It's basically with a little bit of glitter. And I just love when eyeshadows work just like that. Not complicated at all, very easy to use. So. No. So now we're going to use the silver tone here and put it right in the front. And you have like a very, very nice smoky eye. Very nice. Love it already. We could also use the eyeshadow stick in the color Cool Silver, but I'm going to stick with that one. So next time I'm going to do that. I'm just going to use the little finger, put it into the eyeshadow and just point it on the eye. So you have more, do you see the difference? You have more shimmer because it's more pressed. And the moment you use a brush, you're just gonna, you know, not have it like very pressed on your eye. So, perfect. So, this is the eyeshadow palette that we have with Oriflame. I think at the moment it's sold, but we are going to move on with lashes. So, we are going to use the Double Effect mascara because if you want to have like fake lashes, this is the one to go because you have like two brushes. It's not two brushes, it's one brush, but one, or the first step would be you're going to use this one to get some volume, and then the next step would be you take this one here, it's the same brush, and you're going to create more length into the lashes. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use a black eye pencil, and I'm going to be right back with you. I am back. Look at these lashes. Who needs fake lashes if you have a mascara like this? I mean, these results are just amazing. It's this double effect mascara. So basically I've used this one, and I found like a dark gray eye pencil that I used, so it's not too harsh. So great results. I love it. Let's move on with contouring. I always use like these pearls, as you may have seen in my videos before, because these pearls have it all. They have, or they contain, a highlighter, bronzer, rouge, whatever, blush, or whatever you call it. And this is my favorite color, is Radiant Bronze, because you can have like an easy airbrush effect, you know. It's so simple, and you have like results within seconds. Okay, so just let's do it. Let's try it out. So you see this side, nothing. This side, and it took like 5 seconds, not even 5 seconds, you know. So basically I use it as a contouring product, you know, and put the rest here, so you have like a very, very, very nice shimmer in your face. Okay, and like a summer glow, and finish. That's it, all you need. Lipstick. I'm going to use this Ultra Fix lipstick because I find it very difficult to find like a lipstick, let's say too gray or too blue, whatever. It's like a very cool color. So I'm going to use this Ultra Fix lipstick in the color Ultra Taupe. So it's a very cool color. You just see it. I'm going to show you. And I think this color suits literally to everything. So you're just gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes. Don't eat, don't drink, and then it's gonna be done. It's gonna be there forever. So it's the Ultra Fix, similar to the liquid Ultra Fix, just in a, you know, in a normal lipstick. So basically, that's it. I'm just gonna do my hair because I washed it, blow dry it, and just gonna put some oil into it. And then, no, stop. I'm gonna put some setting spray on my face so the makeup will stay there. And then I am going to use this perfume. It's called Amber Elixir Crystal. I have no idea how it smells like. Very flowery, but I just love the scent. It's just gorgeous. I love it. So basically, that's it. That's my look of the day. I hope you like it. If you do, just give me a like or a follow, leave a kind comment, and I just would appreciate a response from you if you like to see my videos in English or not, or whatever. So I hope you're having a wonderful day, and we're gonna see each other next time. Bye.